My euphoria has always been the sound of your laugh. It was the peekaboo of your smile. It was sitting in front of black and white piano keys on Saturday mornings, listening to your first notes of your first song. Sometimes it was being your afternoon pillow. You know, the shoulder you could lean on when life got tough and you felt as if the whole world was out to get you, when boys came and left and you just couldn't figure out why, till I reminded you of your worth. You know, you're just like your mother, strong, more radiant than red-orange collisions of a sunrise without set. I've been too caught up in my own mind not to realize the divinity in your smile, for I've only known darkness. I've been lost without you. My hell is the repetition of you not answering my phone calls. It's watching you walk across stage graduation night knowing I didn't do a damn thing to get you that far. It's looking in your eyes and seeing my shadow. A tucked away piece of me in your mind, never to bring you pain again, pain. I just wanted to be half of the perceived thoughts that you had of me when you were 9, when I was supposed to be your hero, your protector, your father, and I wasn't. I don't know how to get back to you or mend those broken promises that have left jagged edges on your heart that is now a hardened wall. All I can do is pray. But it feels like God doesn't hear my prayers for you or me anymore, so I'm waiting. I'm waiting for the day where you can look at me and smile. Light in your brown eyes, arms stretched out, I'll run. Capture you in my embrace. Tell you how much I love you and never let go.